Good day, Bob here at Weldnrust, and today we've got a finished project. We did this a little while ago. The important thing about this particular one is that it was free. What we have here is a wood chipper, and it started life as a snowblower. Funny thing is, the pastor at our church had a spare one kicking around. He didn't know what to do with it. He knows I like to tinker, so he asked me, "Do you want this?" And I said, "It's free. Sure, I'll take it. I'll find something to use it for." That's when the idea came on, probably from a YouTube video, shamelessly borrowed from. And what I ended up doing was basically you cut the front end of it off, the auger portion of it, and the blower portion gets modified. And what we end up doing is welding a 3/8 inch plate to the inside of it with some laser cut holes. Fortunately for me, I have access at work, and the guy who does it is actually pretty good about doing government work, so long as I get the okay from one of the higher ups, which I did. So he's kind enough to cut me a couple of plates, basically the 3/8 plate behind here, which holds the cutting heads. And the reason it's that thick is for the flywheel effect. The other plate was the front one, and that's 1/8 inch plate. The other stuff, again, collected over years of stuff lying around, stuff out of scrap bins, whatever. Reutilize the sliders for the front here. That more or less gives it a little bit of stability. And the auger drive is this little lever here. Instead of the handle up here, this comes in and out and engages it. Pretty simple design. Anyways, it does work, and we're gonna have to show you how that works. Now we'll see how this thing is going to work. So, for the point of view of free, I don't think you can beat it. But there is a few improvements that I think I'm going to have to make. The biggest thing is, if you can tell by the video, it doesn't shoot out very fast. And I think one of the reasons is it's got a lot of horsepower, and it's got way more torque than what it needs, but it doesn't have enough speed. So what I'd like to do at some point is change the belt system in here, and basically try and double or triple the speed depending on what pulleys I can get and what belts I need. That's going to take some work that might be involved with another video. We'll see what happens, and it depends how much brush I want to cut. But it did prove the point that you can make pretty much anything out of nothing if you've got the wherewithal to try it. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.